Oh boy, what do we got in our hands here today? He's flexing on my curb. Big V8, and he's on the phone.
It's alright. Big Americano under here, huh?
Hey, that's a big V8, dog.
Look at that's the intake.
Dude, that thing's
Wish my car still had that.
Alright, well we're being truck butters for the day. That's always a good time. And yep, a good little expedition. This ain't no V6 dog. Big ass doors. Alright, we're gonna head to Bama. Run over some Priuses on the way. Go pick up our cousins.
I was gonna make a joke like that.
But we got Sam here. I was waiting about 15 minutes inside my living room for him to show up. Jesus Christ, you don't have to flex on every curve. What's wrong with you? Mad man.
My ass. I was out here like for a whole year.
I know. You were out here for like 5 minutes. I apologize. I had to shower. Someone stole my blow dryer too.
Oh, you have a blow dryer?
I do.
You're gay. I have one too. Long hair gang, man.
Yeah, mine's not even long anymore.
Yours is short now.
I have short hair, yeah. Ooh. All that torque and then nothing.
It's that all-wheel grab, but nothing behind it.
Oh man.
It's like a legacy.
On our way to go pick up Brandon, and then we're gonna grab Brandon, head to the lovely city of Lake Elsinore and pick up an engine stand. It'll be a good time. We're gonna head up to meet after that, see what cars are there. I'm gonna ride with your boy Robert. Today's video wouldn't be complete without a tow gate run, and the good old Expo. This thing handles like it's on rails. The Expedition ST, dude.
Look at my racing line.
Oh yeah.
No, it's dark back.
Got a Safari. Ooh. Stumbled upon these little bad boys right here. Two of them. Are you really gonna do it? Oh my goodness.
Now what?
Left.
Left? Oh my fucking god.
Well, we got the engine stand and we got Brandon back here.
I think I'm supposed to left here.
Fuck me, dude.
You see the lady on the floor? She's like,
wait, really?
she's like,
oh my god.
my seatbelt doesn't retract. That's the only spin off I've ever had.
Oh my god.
I love how at like highway speeds are almost max though.
Yeah.
Like that's how fucking slow.
Damn, dude, this thing's just getting a beating today. Oh my
Hasn't been
god.
driven in like 3 weeks.
18 and abused.
Wow.
Alright, boys, we got this out here, out of the Expo. There's a bitch. Stabbed me.
What?
But, it's walking. Oh, this is nice. This is nice ambient lighting.
Nice and festive.
Nice and festive. Gearing up for the holidays here. What the fuck is this?
Oh, you haven't seen my painting yet?
No, I have not.
This is my wall art.
Really?
Yeah.
I like it. Don't fucking sexually assault me. But we're gonna go meet up with Robert. Look how ridiculous this pollen intake is here, right? This is just...
See, like if I just do this to my roof.
Alright, we're officially gonna head to Roberts now. That's our meetup point, and we're bringing along a little bit of a Subaru friend, Brandon's little neighbor, so pretty sick. Yeah, pretty sick line. Oh.
I had to go fucking slow. Oh, it is an ambulance, I told you.
Oh, shit. It looked like a fire truck.
It did, yeah, the lights made it look like a fire truck.
I apologize. Spanked him, dude. You
I spanked him! I spanked the hatch! Oh, here he is.
Ooh. They sound so good. Alright guys, we're here in Robert's E36 now on the way to the meet. Look at this fucking back seats, dude. Such a weird sight to see. But nice, good addition. But we're gonna head to the meet now. We got quite a big crew, probably 4 or 5 cars, so keep you guys updated once we get there. Ahead and the cops swerving and shutting down the freeway. Fuck us. Fuck us, dude. If this isn't our luck, I don't know what is. So we're kind of stranded here. Keep you guys updated. Oh, there we go. Alright, and 15 completely pointless seconds later, the freeway is moving again. Oh, did he do all that to pull someone over?
Is that a food truck?
That is a food truck. And was that an undercover cop?
I think so.
Okay, well, let's get out of here. Alright guys, looks like we have arrived. This is definitely our ideal meet. It has a B-dubs right here.
Yep, this is the meet for us.
Yep. Is that you?
Yep, that was me.
Oh, love the diff light. Gotta love it.
Oh.
Oh, there's a speed bump. Oh, fuck.
That's an RV behind us. Right there.
Oh.
Wow, that was bad. That was a big speed bump.
Ouch, yeah, that was.
Stop.
Oh my god, there's another speed bump. Fuck it, we're dipping. We're going in here. Some cool stuff here.
Alright.
Including this RV.
Hey, he took the... Oh, man. Oh, wow.
Some rich boys out here. We're just trying to make it to the damn parking lot alive.
I do this at work every day.
Sick ass stuff coming in.
Good guy Robert over here.
Yep. Some V8 boys. Shit's crowded.
It is.
Totally is.
I don't even know right now. I'm just gonna try to find a spot at this point.
Yeah.
There's no point.
This is genocide?
Those genocide.
Genocide.
Oh, I want an RX-7 so bad.
It just won't make them. God damn it.
What'd he say?
That's fucking
sick.
Now that I'm with anyone you know that has a tight vest.
He's got DJs too. Kind of fat.
Dude, that was fast.
It's still hanging around.
I was scared just because my car's over my shoulders.
Oh, it's the Supra. That's fucking loud. It's a Mustang. That's a fatty.
Dude, that is.
That's a sick Mustang too.